All attentive. Okay. Pass in the single line column.
13, 15,
13, 15,
2 and 10.
2, 1,
2 and 10.
and 2 and 10. Okay, now pass this paper to somebody else. Add the four circle numbers. What is the sum of all the four circle numbers? 34. Ma'am, you can please open the paper. What's the number there? Can you have a clap? Since 44, 34 will come. Okay, let's sit down. Let's try. Are you able to figure it out? It's magic. I told you I've written a book for how to be a mathematician. So this is a magic. Are you able to figure it out how it happens? Let's do once more. Then we'll do it. Okay. I'm passing this paper again. Just catch. All of you be attentive. Okay, ma'am. Just tell me one number. 16. Okay. And 22. Okay. Pass this paper to somebody else. Let me cross out the numbers for you. Yes, ma'am. Give me some other number. अच्छा वहाँ पे गया. Yes, ma'am. Give me one number of the remaining numbers. Which one? I'm not able to listen. Which one? 25. Okay. So let's cross out this and 13. So what's the sum of the circle numbers? What's the sum of the circle number? 74. Ma'am, just open the paper. 74. Yes. Can you ever clap 74? Yes. What's the pattern? Sum of diagonals. Very intelligent teachers, huh? Work it out. Both ways, if you see the diagonal sum is 74. In earlier case also, it is 34. What's the pattern here? I'm taking consecutive numbers. If I start from 11, I can start from 18 or whatever number. Just you have to go in a 4x4 grid. This is the sum of diagonals. Why it is happening? If you take the numbers x, x plus 1, x plus 2, करके करेंगे pattern, तो you will be able to see the pattern also. But this is I'm showing you to let the children identify the pattern. Ki why it is coming and what can be the number. Because initially everyone sees, wow, how do we know this? This is coming. Interesting. To let them see the patterns. Ki how the patterns are moving. Even if I'm taking different numbers, I've not taken any number from the diagonals. One number is there, but sorry, two numbers in there in this case, but not all. But still I'm getting the sum as a diagonals. Yes.